So if you're just starting to do tapping, it might be well worth getting into it slowly. So start tapping an arpeggio. So just going A, C, and then E. So that makes an A minor arpeggio. A, C, E. 1, flat 3, 5. And there are two main patterns of tapping. One is the 5, 1, 3. The other one is the 5, 3, 1. So you can practice both of them separately and then also start to put them together. So and when I'm tapping, I hit that note and then I pull off of it. So I'm plucking it. I'm almost plucking it. I'm pulling it down with the flesh of my finger. So, and then I'm hammering on the next finger. So that is one pattern. The other pattern is going. And then you can combine the two of them and you have. So 1, so 5, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And once you get confident with that, you can start moving this finger up just a little bit. You can move both hands, but first step is to probably move this hand just a little bit, your picking hand. And you don't have to move it a great distance, just move it 1 fret at a time. I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.